Hello, movers and shakers. I'm going to take a quick moment while I'm in the car. I've got errands to do to respond to a few questions and comments that I've been receiving about the Color Your Calm workshop. One comment I heard was that this sounds very therapy-like and I'm not into therapy. No problem. I just want to reassure you, this is not therapy. Personal mental wellness simply means that we're going to do what feels great for you, for me, while stretching ourselves enough to develop tools that will help you recognize what's working in your life and what's not working, and what activities that you can help to live a more settled and balanced life. At Tammy Services Corporation, we focus on aligning your truth with your purpose and your passions. This workshop is designed as a luxurious, unique environment where you can step away from the routine, the sameness of doing the same activities and expecting different results. That's what this is going to be all about. This is your time to pause, connect, and reflect. So the idea is to connect with others using the conversation prompts that I'm going to provide, but you don't need to. You could just have a natural conversation with the amazing people who will be there. The space is intentionally created so that the people will be able to get to know yourselves, get to know them, get to deeper, and allow awareness to give themselves the chance to breathe. I want you to know that everyone is welcome. We already have a great, wonderful, diverse group of people that have signed up, and I'm excited to meet new people, and I'm excited to build new connections. Now, for those who care, well, we all care, right? But there's going to be a give back element that I love, and I do this with all of my activities. 10% of the proceeds will be donated to Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization, which focuses on empowering individuals and communities to live their fullest potential. Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization. We're also going to be sharing bundles of active love. Our bundles in June will be about personal care and hygiene products. This means we have some room to grow. If you want to join the Power Street Builders team, perfect. You can contact me there. You can contact me here. And all donations matter. Your time, your money, your love, your care, your smiles. So, wanted to sign off. Wanted to let you know this was just a video point in time to address some of the comments that I've received. Please keep the comments coming because I can answer them before Saturday, March 14th. This is our time. So, embrace it. Get ready for your next level living. We're all going to be having a great time. We're going to do a rejuvenated version of who we are. Color Your Calm workshop is for you. If you want to do something different, if you want to learn some new tools, and if you want to take an intentional time to pause, connect, reflect. So, Saturday, March 14th at the Rockcliffe Park Community Center, 7 to 10. Hope to see you there. Bye.